Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to make restore point in your Windows. So basically the importance of restore point is we never know actually when our computer will stop working, and with the restore point, we can save our computer. We can save the data, the settings, as well as the files that we have in our computer. So in order to make it, let's start the process. First is you need to search for restore here at the bottom search bar. Once done, this Basmash will appear. Just simply go to open. After that, this system properties windows will appear. Here at the bottom, it has this create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. Just simply create a click on create, and here I recommend that the description, the name of your restore point will be the current date that you have created this. In my case, today is February 8th of February, then I'm going to 802 and then 2025. Once done, just simply create. And it will now start on creating a restore point. Here, just have to wait. Okay, this will take 3 to 5 minutes depending on your machine. Okay, so once done, you'll be successfully created as a restore point. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.